In preparation for the frame extension, I have to do a little bit more grinding. I'll show you. So this is where some of the old frame used to be attached, so we have to grind this all flush. There's a few little bits on the other side as well, and on here. So I'm going to deal to them to get this nice and flush. I'm going to have to sort out this dent as well, somehow. That looks better. So now that all the grinding is done on the sides, onto step 2. So the next thing I want to do is flip this thing over to get to the underside. Thinking what I'll do is I'll rest it up over against this and that pole, and I've tied up the brake calipers so hopefully they don't flap around and damage anything. Now to get some extra help. Whew, that was a challenge, but she's up. Let's have a look at the rust, eh? Yep, there's a bit there to deal with. Not too bad though. Oh, so I got some new tools. So this is my old brush drill, and I have upgraded to a brushless one. Check this out. Second hand, of course, so it's still old and well used, but you know, it's kind of my jam, cheap stuff. But I do have some new tools. I have battery power grinder, put a wire brush on this one, so be very convenient after welding and whatnot. As well as a multi-tool. I'm looking forward to giving this one a go. What else have we got in here? The old impact driver. This is a real big upgrade of the old one. So much lighter, especially these new batteries. Another flat battery. Rust converter time. So rust converter all applied, went on really well. I used a paintbrush which seemed to put it on thicker than the roller. Happy with that, went over it with the roller a little bit to get good finish. Not that it probably matters too much, especially being the underside. So anyway, I'm really stoked that this is finally good. Tomorrow, when it's dry, I will be putting a black top coat on the bottom, flip it back over, and then do some welding. So it's the next day and it looks like the paint has gone off despite the cold. Let's have a closer look. Yeah, looks good. Next task is I'm going to remove this jockey plate off and I'll probably move it further down. Ooh, look at that, lovely in black. Let's read the instructions. Blah 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 blah. Apply 2 coats. The drying is 4 to 6 hours. This is the stuff that I'm using. It's paint. this all painted, lovely and black. Yeah, look. Ooh, beautiful. So it's like a enamel coating, so it's going to be a bit of a pain to clean up, but should do a good job of being permanent. Some of you guys may have noticed I'm painting this before I welded. Basically, it was going to be, I think, too hard flipping this thing over once I had welded more metal and more frame to it. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm doing this maybe a little bit out of order, but at least once the underside is painted, I won't have to worry about that too much. Little touch-ups should be pretty easy to get to. Next week I will hopefully flip the thing back over and start welding. Thanks guys for watching, appreciate you guys. A like and subscribe would be epic.